my channel Path to Trade. In this video, we are breaking down the top single candlestick patterns. By the end of this video, you can identify these patterns and how traders use them to predict these reversal patterns or continuation trend patterns. Okay, let's begin with Bullish Marubozu. It is a single candlestick pattern. It is a strong green candle with no wicks. Here it's a fully green candle with no wicks. It indicates a buying pressure. Buyers are taking control and the price is moving upsides. This candle is formed. Your opening price is equals to the low of the candle and opening price are equal. Here the closing price and the high of the candle are equal. If such candle is formed at the bottom or a downtrend, then it is a possible of trend reversal. So in this chart you can see here a bullish candle. It indicates the strength of bullishness. Only buyers are taking a control and see how price rally here. Buy above this, stop loss below this, and the target is bigger. You get the bigger targets of these candles. Bullishness. It indicates the strength of bullishness. Next comes the opposite of Bullish Marubozu. It is Bearish Marubozu. In this Bearish Marubozu, a big red candle with no wicks. No wicks or very negligible wicks. It indicates the sign of bearishness and sellers are dominating completely. It forms at the uptrend. This structure is formed at the uptrend. If this is formed, then it indicates the trend reversal and the price may come down. Here the same, the open price and high are equal, and here the close price and low are equal in this candle. In this chart you can notice here a big red candle which indicates strong bearishness. The sellers are taking control and the price of security has come down. Next comes the hammer pattern. Hammer, it is a small body with a lower wick, long lower wick. It shows sellers try to push the price down, but buyers, they took the control and pushed the price at higher. See, this is a hammer pattern. It is formed at the downtrend. At the downtrend, if a hammer pattern is formed, then you can take a buy position and the stop loss will be the low of the candle and target will be 1:2. If such candle is formed with a small body and a long tail, long lower wick with a negligible upper wick, it doesn't have upper wick, then it is a hammer pattern. It indicates the strength of bullishness. The buyers are taking control and the price moves up. Next candlestick pattern is hanging man. In this pattern, the body is small It has a lower long wick, and the location, it appears at the top of the uptrend. Then it is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, hanging man candlestick pattern. This is a pattern. It has a small body with long tail, long lower shadow, but negligible or no upper shadow. It is formed at the uptrend. If it is formed at the uptrend, then the price will come down. The next is the inverted hammer candlestick pattern. This is exactly opposite of the hammer pattern. It is formed by the candle which has a small body with a no lower shadow and a long upper shadow is formed at the bottom of the downtrend. Okay, in this pattern the upper shadow should be at least twice of the size of the body, real body. In this chart, see here the inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is formed at the downtrend. This pattern candlestick is formed at a downtrend. Then the price, there is a trend, possibility of trend reversal, and the price of the security may go up. The color of the body doesn't matter, but inverted hammer formed with a green body gives you the strong bullish signal. Here the red candle is formed, but the color doesn't matter. If the green candle is formed, then it gives you more bullishness. Next candlestick pattern is shooting star. It is a single candlestick patterns that indicates the trend reversal and exhaustion. It is exactly opposite of hanging man pattern, and it is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. The body, it has a small body with a long upper shadow. Long upper shadow is found at the top of an uptrend. So it is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. Let's see here. If this candlestick is formed at an uptrend, then the price will fall. It will come down. In this candlestick patterns, it has a small body. The body is very small and a long upper shadow and with no lower shadow. If this is formed at an uptrend, then the price of the stock falls. This is a shooting stars. The upper shadow or upper wick indicates the strong bearishness. Let's have a quick recap of the single candlestick patterns. The bullish Marubozu, it indicates a big green candle, buyers are in control. Bearish Marubozu, a big red candle, indicates the selling pressures and sellers are dominating. Hammer, it is a bullish reversal at the bottom. Hanging man, it is a bearish reversal pattern which is formed at the uptrend. Inverted hammer, it is a bullish reversal trend. It is formed at the downtrend. Shooting star, it is a bearish reversal pattern at the uptrend. If you found my video useful, please make sure to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel Path to Trade. That's all for the day. Thank you. The next is the inverted hammer candlestick pattern. This is exactly opposite of the hammer pattern. It is formed by the candle which has a small body with a no lower shadow and a long upper shadow is formed at the bottom of the downtrend. Okay, in this pattern the upper shadow should be at least twice of the size of the body, real body. See, we'll see in the chart. In this chart, see here the inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is formed at the downtrend. It is formed at the downtrend. It is formed here. If this pattern candlestick is formed at a downtrend, then the price, there is a trend possibility of trend reversal and the price of the security may go up. The color of the body, it doesn't matter, but inverted hammer formed with a green body gives you the strong bullish signal. Here the red candle is formed, but the color doesn't matter. If the green candle is formed, then it gives you more bullishness.